This is my 300 shillings bed sheet. Look at how it fitted my bed. So since I'm an Islander, I use Jogo Road, and from there I use the route that you usually get them selling metal boxes and vifurias and all the metal stuff. So what I'll do from Mudurwa Primary School, I'll just walk down as I go. I'll take my left and get in there. So as you go, make sure you have like some nice shoes that can handle mud. Don't go with sandals because it will give you a hard time to maneuver through. So there are so many things around that they can make you shop what you had not really planned for. And yo, guys, this was a really nice experience for me. And you, when you walk around, you see various things, and you're able to remember, like, I don't have this and that, but make sure you stick to what you have gone to buy and then plan for another thing later. So as we get closer, you are able to see some landmark there. You can also use this when you're coming from town. So there's this landmark called Gikomba Landmark Business Center. So from the place, you turn on your right. When you turn on your right, you're able to see different things sold there, like the duvets and everything. So I'll show you how it looks. On your right, able to see the duvets, the towels, the bed sheet, pillows, pillowcases, everything is sold around there. So as you walk, you're able to see Pumwani dispensary from there on your left, and as you cross and going ahead, you'll see like on the other side, each side they're selling the bed sheets, duvets, and name them all, just beddings. So I stopped over and I started to get mine as well. So they range from between 200 and 400. That is one bed sheet. Oh, who does that? It's only in Gikomba where I have shown you can get them at that price. So I bought this bed sheet, the fitted one, a pair of this. I bought this at 600 shillings, guys, 600 shillings. And I soaked it and I'm now using it. Oh, I felt like I have saved so much by getting this instead of getting it from the internet. You just commit yourself and go and do shopping by yourself. You'll save a lot, guys. So as we were walking around, I also stopped by and bought a duvet at 2,300 shillings for a super king size bed. You guys, tell me what you think about this, if you're going also to get some beddings over there. Shopping for the duvets and bed sheets. Now I'm going home. I will show you what I got from the market. Guys, I got my mask here. One goes for 20 shillings. Can you guys imagine? And I bought the one I'm having on right now for 50 bob. It's another day. I was really tired yesterday, and I'm going to show you what I bought and for how much. So this is what I bought. I bought my duvet here. This was going for 2,300, and it's for my bed. It's 7 by 8. Yeah, so I need to wash it first, then from there is when I will be using it. This is what I got. So I had actually asked it somewhere and I had been told it's 4,400. Can you imagine? I have saved like 2,200. Like on this duvet costed, it did cost me like almost half of what I would have bought if I bought it around. So that's why I was recommending you guys to go get duvet. I did a vlog to help you guys save some money for buying your duvets from where I bought mine. Here, So now we also have, I also have the pillowcases. These are going for 100 bob per pair. You'll also get them there, 100 bob per pair. So what you need to do is just to wash them. Then this one's here, and then yeah, I also bought this one. How much was this? 300. It's here. This is like, as you can see here. So guys, I've bought my beddings for that price. You won't believe it. And there's also some bed sheets here. I bought this at 300 shillings as well. Yeah. And I bought a pair for 600 shillings here. So this is, yeah. So why can't you go save some coins for yourself? What I'll have to do is just soak it in jig, and then from there I'll be able to use it. It's really a nice quality, and I think it's long lasting. So a pair for that price. Can you guys imagine? I bought all these things for that price. This one here is the one that you unaivalisha kama mattress hivi kisuruari. This is what I also bought from there. So guys, I hope I've helped you, and you can also help yourself from that by saving some money. And so this is how my bed looks, with the pillowcases and the duvet and the bed sheet. Tell me guys what you think about it, and let me know down at the comments section. And thank you very much for watching. Until next time, also do another vlog that can help you to save some money. And yeah, stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.